Yes, I'm letting my monkey eat candy. She loves candy. But I wanted to show you that her pit bull would love it, but she's too kind. Spanky, watch out. Lucy's wanting you to share. Spanky, what are you going to say to me? Thank you? You going to thank you, Mommy? Spanky, thank Mommy. Is it good? Is it good? Spanky, is it good? There you go. Lucy's gonna get her share. She just has to work for it. You can look at Lucy and tell she loves food. Her mother overfeeds her. Lucy, she left yours down there. Go get it. Lucy. Spanky. Spanky. Are you co-piloting? Spanky. Get up in your bunk. Come here, girl. Spanky. Come here and get up in your bunk. Say hello. Say hello. Say lazy monkey. Lazy monkey. Is that a lazy monkey? On her legs. She's a lounger. Hi, Lucy. Spanky. Are you posing? What you thinking about? Heaven? Me too. Spanky, did you go in the tree today? She just got out of a big tree, guys. The big one. Michelle? It was that one right there. It's all the way up. That one right there. I know. We went out there. Who's out there? Anybody? You see a snake? Can we go back up the tree? What'd you see, Spanky? What'd you see? Deer? No, I mean there's deer back there. With their babies. Right, Spanky? What else did you see today? Huh? You wanna go outside? Come on. Here we go. She doesn't want to go, guys. 20 acres. A beautiful mountain. And lots of trees. You want to sit right here and veg and do nothing? Because that's what Spider Monkey she is. Big spider monkey. Isn't she, Lucy? And we're just lounging today. No adventures. We need to do a fashion show. Fashion show. You gonna go outside? Come on, get out there. No? Go, Bubba.